There comes a moment in life when fear begins to lose its power, because you finally recognize that strength, peace, purpose, and hope always existed within you. The soul becomes fearless. I walk through valleys searching far for meaning, purpose, who we are, trying to silence every fear that echoed through the passing years. And softly something spoke inside. And softly something spoke inside, beyond the doubt I used to hide, reminding me my soul was made for greater things beyond the pain. The strongest hearts awaken slowly when they discover hope internally, and every soul embracing truth can become renewed. The light within my soul still rises beyond uncertainty and crisis. No limit tension can forever hold a resilient, hopeful soul with spiritual peace through every climb and faith through changing seasons of life. Every dream and possibility lives inside of me. I learned identity brings strength when fear no longer shapes the way. When fear no longer shapes the way, the deeper dance begins within, the deeper truth we carry silently. Every hardship became a guide, helping hidden faith arise, and every moment spent aware made purpose finally appear. The future changes through belief, through resilience beyond defeat, and every person choosing light can transform their life. Do not surrender to the darkness even when the road feels endless, because the soul remembers still the strength beyond the fear within. No storm can permanently waken, and every heart embracing grace can rise again. Now the light within me shines boldly, fearless hope surrounding me, can weaken what I see. I move forward courageously with resilience, trust and faith combined, and every challenge helps me prove the power I search for live within me too. Peace begins within, purpose begins within, and the light guiding your future has always existed inside your soul. There comes a moment in life when fear begins to lose its power, because you finally recognize that strength, peace, purpose, and hope have always existed within you. The soul becomes fearless when it remembers its deeper